So in this game time tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy tickets with Apple Pay here on Game Time. So once Game Time is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on Profile. Then where it says Payment Methods, go ahead and press on that. Now in this page right here, you can go ahead and make sure that Apple Pay is selected. This means that when you guys are buying tickets, it'll actually be the default pay method that you're using. Now, for example, if I were to go to the bottom left, press on buy, and I'll use these Boston Celtics tickets as an example. If I were to go ahead and proceed with the transaction this way and press on confirm, where it says payment right here, Apple Pay is selected. So you can go ahead and press on Apple Pay right here. So at the bottom, if you were to go ahead and buy these tickets, it'll use Apple Pay as your payment method. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy tickets with Apple Pay here on a Game Time. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.